Want to know exactly when you'll run short on inventory before it becomes a crisis? This exclusive report for QuickBooks Enterprise Manufacturing shows you what other companies pay thousands for in an ERP system. Let me show you why this is transformational. For every component or assembly, you'll see your current stock, what's committed to sales orders, and incoming purchase orders, all in one view. It forecasts your inventory for the next 12 weeks, showing exactly when you'll need materials by comparing sales commitments against expected deliveries. Let's look at this example. We can instantly see we're currently in a stock out. 20 pieces are actually overdue now, and 30 more are due to ship before replenishments arrive in 4 weeks. Drill down to see exactly which customer orders are at risk and when each purchase order is due. Don't risk missing deliveries or overstocking. Request your free trial today and let us show you how this works with your actual QuickBooks data. This could be the solution that keeps you from having to switch to a very expensive ERP system.